Hola, saludos. Hola, ¿qué tal? ¿Cómo están, jóvenes? Estamos, estamos terminando ya el capítulo 4. El capítulo 4, los pasatiempos y los verbos irregulares, como querer, ¿verdad? Querer. Querer. At this point, you should know what is querer, okay? So let's review. Querer is to want, okay? So, quiero, ¿verdad? What do you want to do? Quiero. I want. Quiero estudiar. Now you can start using the verbs that you already know in the infinitive forms and then link them with querer. Okay? Querer um, will remain will be querer will be the one that is conjugated, and then the one that you are attaching to querer will remain in the infinitive form. ¿Ok? Por ejemplo, quiero estudiar, quiero leer, quiero comer, quiero escalar una montaña, quiero nadar, quiero jugar, quiero dormir, quiero descansar. ¿Ok? So in this chapter, you should be able to say the things that you want to do. ¿Ok? We already used the verbs to express the things that we like to do. Now we are expressing the things that we want to do. And using that verb, querer, we are connecting basically the idea of conjugating querer to start conjugating verbs like pensar, okay? Because it has the same behavior. Okay, so querer will be quiero, I-E, right? Pensar, pienso, I-E, again, okay, within the root of the verb, okay? The stem. So pensar, pienso, and one that we should keep using is preferir, because it's very similar to English. I prefer. Prefiero. And pay attention. The IE combination is not at the beginning, but in the middle. Okay? Yo prefiero estudiar. Yo prefiero dormir. ¿Sí? Another one will be empezar. Yo empiezo a estudiar. And entender, to understand. Okay? Entiendo. And dormir, I'm pretty sure that you want to learn that verb because it's to sleep. Okay? Yo duermo temprano. Okay? Yo duermo todos los días. Yo duermo bien. Once you know dormir, you should be able to use almorzar, which is to eat lunch. And almorzar has the same behavior as dormir. Okay, the O then is going to change, and then we're going to have UE. Yo duermo, yo almuerzo, ¿verdad? Almorzar, almuerzo. Poder, I'm able to do something. Yo puedo estudiar mañana. Yo no puedo estudiar mañana. Recordar, to remember. Make connection with the verb recording. When you record something, an image, okay? So, memorizar, okay? Recordar. It's the process of memorizing. Yo recuerdo muy bien los verbos. And then volver. Volver. Yo vuelvo. Yo vuelvo mañana. I return tomorrow. I come back tomorrow. Okay. And the last set that we should learn this week is pedir. Yo pido comida. You see, in this one, pedir, we don't have a combination of two vowels. It's only one. The E goes to I. Yo pido pizza, yo pido leche, tú pides agua, ¿verdad? But then pay attention to, and this is something that applies to all of these stem changing verbs. The nosotros and the vosotros form doesn't have any change within the stem. Okay, so pedimos, yo pido, nosotros pedimos. So the E will remain in the nosotros form. Okay. And something else that we should include in this topic, in this area, is hacer, the verb hacer. Hacer means to do. Okay. So when we use the verb hacer, we have to keep in mind that only the yo form is going to be different. Okay. Yo hago mi tarea. ¿Y tú haces tu tarea? Sí, yo hago mi tarea. There are some other verbs that are pretty similar to hacer. Why? Because they have the same behavior. The yo form is going to be different, okay, from the other ones. Yo salgo, I go out, ¿verdad? Yo traigo, I bring with me, or exactly. And then veo, yo veo una película. And oigo, yo oigo una música, ¿verdad? Bien, so that's basically what we have this week, okay? And pretty soon we get to chapter number 5. So remember, contact your e-learning center to give you more elements, tools to work. And if you have particular questions, email me. We can Zoom, okay? Chao. Hasta luego, estudiantes.